初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Table for two, please.
Table for two, please.
请安排2人桌。
Table for two, please.
Table for two, please.
Do you have a menu?
Do you have a menu?
有菜单吗？
Do you have a menu?
Do you have a menu?
What do you recommend here?
What do you recommend here?
这里有什么推荐的？
What do you recommend here?
What do you recommend here?
Is this dish spicy?
Is this dish spicy?
这道菜辣吗？
Is this dish spicy?
Is this dish spicy?
I have a food allergy.
I have a food allergy.
我对某些食物过敏。
I have a food allergy.
I have a food allergy.
Can I change the side?
Can I change the side?
可以换配菜吗？
Can I change the side?
Can I change the side?
Can I get this to go?
Can I get this to go?
这个可以外带吗？
Can I get this to go?
Can I get this to go?
Still deciding. One moment.
Still deciding. One moment.
还在考虑，稍等一下。
Still deciding. One moment.
Still deciding. One moment.
I'll have this one.
I'll have this one.
我要这个。
I'll have this one.
I'll have this one.
Can I get water first?
Can I get water first?
可以先给我水吗？
Can I get water first?
Can I get water first?
Is the soup fresh today?
Is the soup fresh today?
今天的汤新鲜吗？
Is the soup fresh today?
Is the soup fresh today?
Do you have vegetarian options?
Do you have vegetarian options?
有素食选择吗？
Do you have vegetarian options?
Do you have vegetarian options?
Can I get extra sauce?
Can I get extra sauce?
可以多给些酱汁吗？
Can I get extra sauce?
Can I get extra sauce?
Can you make it mild?
Can you make it mild?
可以做清淡些吗？
Can you make it mild?
Can you make it mild?
Is there a lunch special?
Is there a lunch special?
有午餐特价吗？
Is there a lunch special?
Is there a lunch special?
Can I see the drink list?
Can I see the drink list?
可以看看饮料单吗？
Can I see the drink list?
Can I see the drink list?
Is dessert included here?
Is dessert included here?
甜点包含在内吗？
Is dessert included here?
Is dessert included here?
Can I split the bill?
Can I split the bill?
可以分开结账吗？
Can I split the bill?
Can I split the bill?
Do you take credit cards?
Do you take credit cards?
接受信用卡吗？
Do you take credit cards?
Do you take credit cards?
Can I pay by debit?
Can I pay by debit?
可以用借记卡支付吗？
Can I pay by debit?
Can I pay by debit?
Everything tastes great.
Everything tastes great.
每道菜都很好吃。
Everything tastes great.
Everything tastes great.
Can I get a refill?
Can I get a refill?
可以续杯吗？
Can I get a refill?
Can I get a refill?
Is tipping included already?
Is tipping included already?
小费已经包含了吗？
Is tipping included already?
Is tipping included already?
Can we move to another table?
Can we move to another table?
我们可以换到另一桌吗？
Can we move to another table?
Can we move to another table?
How long is the wait?
How long is the wait?
要等多久？
How long is the wait?
How long is the wait?
Do we need a reservation?
Do we need a reservation?
需要预定吗？
Do we need a reservation?
Do we need a reservation?
Can I have a receipt?
Can I have a receipt?
可以给我收据吗？
Can I have a receipt?
Can I have a receipt?
I'd like the check, please.
I'd like the check, please.
请结账。
I'd like the check, please.
I'd like the check, please.
Can you pack the leftovers?
Can you pack the leftovers?
可以打包剩菜吗？
Can you pack the leftovers?
Can you pack the leftovers?
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Have a good day.
谢谢，祝你有美好的一天。
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Do you have outdoor seating?
Do you have outdoor seating?
有户外座位吗？
Do you have outdoor seating?
Do you have outdoor seating?
Can I sit by the window?
Can I sit by the window?
可以坐窗边吗？
Can I sit by the window?
Can I sit by the window?
Is this seat taken?
Is this seat taken?
这个座位有人吗？
Is this seat taken?
Is this seat taken?
Can you warm this up?
Can you warm this up?
可以加热一下吗？
Can you warm this up?
Can you warm this up?
Do you have kids' meals?
Do you have kids' meals?
有儿童餐吗？
Do you have kids' meals?
Do you have kids' meals?
Can I order drinks first?
Can I order drinks first?
可以先点饮料吗？
Can I order drinks first?
Can I order drinks first?
Is this dish popular?
Is this dish popular?
这道菜受欢迎吗？
Is this dish popular?
Is this dish popular?
Can you make it faster?
Can you make it faster?
可以快一点吗？
Can you make it faster?
Can you make it faster?
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
有免费 WiFi 吗？
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Can I get a clean fork?
Can I get a clean fork?
可以给我干净的叉子吗？
Can I get a clean fork?
Can I get a clean fork?
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。